everybody's your friend, baby girl. Not everybody likes you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn and welcome back to another Jordyn video. So today I'm going to be doing a highly requested video. A lot of you guys asked for it, and it is tips on middle school, or middle school tips. I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on middle school because I know, especially as a 6th grader, it's super scary to go into this new world. Like, you're going into new school, you're meeting new people, you're meeting new teachers, so it's a little nerve-wracking. So I decided to do a tip video to give you guys a little heads up, give you guys some tips, tricks, and hacks. So let's get into it. Okay, so my first tip is to be organized. You really want to be organized, especially in middle school, and especially if you're a 6th grader going into middle school, because it's going to be very different from what you did in your elementary school. There's multiple classes, multiple teachers, multiple tests, multiple assignments each and every day, so you're gonna get confused and jumbled, and you're not really gonna know like where stuff is if you aren't organized. So I recommend a planner or multiple folders for each class period. I myself didn't have like multiple folders, and I myself did not use a planner, but speaking from experience, I did, especially in 7th grade, and count how many times I say especially. But especially like in 6th and 7th grade, I was getting like, I would not know how to time my work right. For some reason, I would always like start a project and not finish it and move on to the most recent one, and then my teacher would be like, "Hey Jordyn, you didn't turn this in." I'm like, "Oh, I forgot about that." So being organized is really going to help in the long run. My second tip is to not get involved in drama. And I know you probably like, okay girl, everybody says that. But the thing is, it's like you really don't want to get involved in drama. Like, don't be nosy. If your name ain't in the conversation, don't insert your name in the conversation. You're a fork in a cereal bowl. Like, calm down, girl. There's someone outside my window. So this tip is really important, I feel, because in middle school there's a lot of like petty drama, like drama that doesn't even matter. It's drama. It's just issues. Everybody has issues for some reason. Everybody got their issues, and that's okay, I guess. But you really don't want to like insert yourself into that, because it can start unnecessary raviolis. It can cause unnecessary enemies also, and just people that just like don't like you, and people that just start talking about you. Like, you shouldn't care if someone talking about you, but girl, if you did something, then people are mean. And things change with the wind. So one day people might be like on your side of the drama that you're in, and the other day they might not. So it's just better to stay out of it, focus on your studies instead of focusing on unnecessary drama and inserting yourself in it, because it can get really messy, and things travel with words and social media, and like nowadays everything's on social media, so people can like be mean to you online, people can be mean in person, people are just mean, especially kids, just mean. So if you like insert yourself in drama, there's like no good way, because it's no good thing can come out of it. There's gonna be a lot of people that dislike you, and a lot of people are going to be mean to you, and it can really affect your mental health, and it can also just take away from your studies and your schoolwork. So being in drama, starting drama, and inserting yourself in drama is really bad in the long run. Okay, so my third tip is to be nice to your teachers. I know everybody probably already is nice to their teachers, but there's some people that will be bad on purpose to their teachers. I knew in 6th grade, and every grade, there's like a little class clown, like, "Oh, haha, you so funny. You're so funny." You want to be nice to your teachers because it pays off. If you are nice to your teachers and just like good in their class, like if you just aren't obnoxious in their classroom, and you're just nice to them, a good student, you get your work done on time, you get some benefits, girl. You get some benefits, because for me, I was always nice to my teachers, And for one of my teachers, she would literally come to me and be talking about kids that she didn't like to me. And I'm like, okay, girl, so we friends like that now. We close like that now, okay? And also, my ELA teacher, my English teacher, same thing. My English teacher would give me extended dates if I needed them because I'm nice and I'm good in her class. But for the same person that was like obnoxious in her class, she did not give it to them. So really I'm really just saying, like, be a good kid in the classroom. You can be a hooligan at lunch, but when you're in the classroom, have some decorum. Okay, so my fourth tip is to not be stinky. And I'm saying this because you're gonna have PE in like the middle of your school day now. Like, I know in elementary school you might have had PE, but like that was just like fun. That was just a funness. But in middle school PE and I think everything after that PE, you actually have to do some stuff, especially where I live. It's hot and they make you go outside in the blazing heat and do some push-ups on the track. Sometimes you can get PE first period, and that really, like second period, third period, that really sucks, especially you're gonna have classes after that and it's gonna be hot, you're gonna be musty, and you don't wanna be musty. You don't wanna be that kid. So make sure you pack deodorant, spray good, really bring something to make you smell good, and a change of clothes, because you don't wanna be having to wear your PE clothes after that, because that can stink. My fifth tip is to don't trust everybody you see. You're gonna have a lot of people that come and go, some that come and don't go, some that just go and never come, but you're gonna have a lot of people you're talking to. You're gonna make a lot of acquaintances, especially in your classrooms when you're sitting next to people. You talking it up, you have to be partners with people, and you're gonna be talking to a lot of people in middle school. And I'm saying don't trust everybody because not everybody's your friend, baby girl. Not everybody likes you. Not everybody is going to be on your side. So you don't want to be like, oh, I don't really like Jessica, to somebody somebody in your science class that you feel like you can trust because you're like, she won't tell anybody. Next thing you know, you got Jessica hitting your phone up. You don't like me? You don't like me? Yeah. So like if you really would just want to like get something off your chest, say it to like your mom, your dad, anybody that you can truly trust, because I feel like y'all's grandmas aren't going to be running to Jessica and telling them that you don't like them. It can start a lot of drama if you just like say something to the wrong person. People be spreading things around fast for some reason. They like people love gossip. It sounds like I have trust issues, but I'm just telling you, like, don't trust people so quickly. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, don't trust everybody so quickly and think everybody's gonna be your friend, because some people truly don't care about you. So my sixth tip is to study. You really want to study. You don't want to procrastinate on studying because it's super important. You're gonna have a lot of information thrown at you every day from every classroom, and you don't want to fall behind on that. So if your teacher tells you like a date a test is and you know when it is, you should study beforehand, so the day before the test you aren't cramming and because you procrastinated. So make sure to study. And I'm not talking like, oh, you got a Spanish quiz, go on Duolingo for 5 minutes, you'll be good. Study for like 10 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day, and depending how long you have until the test. And it can really do a difference instead of just going in the test blindly hoping for the best, because I know I procrastinated on a lot of stuff. I'm a really bad procrastinator. I procrastinated on like almost all of my math tests, and I'm gonna tell you, while it worked out sometimes, it didn't work out a lot of the times. So don't procrastinate, and make sure to study and have a good studying schedule. Tip number 8 is to don't be scared to ask questions. I know it's really scary to ask questions. I'm always so scared to ask questions because I feel like teachers are gonna think I'm dumb, but that's literally their job, is to make me learn. So don't be afraid. Just if you have a question, ask your teacher or ask a peer, a friend, an acquaintance, whatever. Just ask somebody so you don't like struggle through it alone. Tip number 9 is to join clubs and after school activities. Doing so it's such an easy way to make friends and acquaintances. I love that word. I love the word acquaintances. But it's so easy to make bonds because you can find people that are interested in the same thing you're interested in, and you guys can just click over that, and you can just make new friendships like that. And it's another way to get into the yearbook. Like, why wouldn't you? Now you're in the yearbook. Not once, not twice, but 3 times, baby boo. My 10th tip is, this is gonna sound so corny, but it's to have fun. It's middle school. Like, it's middle school. So what if you failed that one test? It's okay. Just have fun. Don't put too much stress on yourself. It's going to be fun. I loved middle school for most of the part. Most of it. Oh, just have fun. There's like, it's middle school. You shouldn't stress and put too much like on yourself, because middle school grades don't matter that much. Yes, you should still strive for good grades, but I'm saying, like, if you get a C on a test or if you get a D on a test, don't like be too hard on yourselves. Just have fun. Middle school's fun. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips. If you have any other tips for middle school, leave it in the comments below. And let me know if you guys are nervous to go into middle school, or if you're already out of middle school. Let me know if you're nervous to go into the next grade, because summer is ending quick and I kind of don't want to go to school. Okay, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you!